Welcome back to RTD's garage. Today we're going to try to start this Stihl Weedeater that's been sitting outside. Why does it sound so quiet? Guys, this Weedeater's been sitting outside for probably a week now because I've been cleaning out my garage. And that is a flower that grew into my muffler. This thing does not want to start because there's a flower that has grown into the muffler. Next time you have a Weedeater sitting outside and it doesn't want to start, check your muffler and make sure a flower doesn't randomly grow into it.